Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the brutal truth of Forex trading. It's a world that promises riches but often delivers crushing disappointment. I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you why most traders fail, and, more importantly, how I managed to escape the pitfalls and achieve consistent profitability. Let's be blunt, the vast majority of Forex traders lose money. The statistics are grim, often showing that over 70% or even 80% of retail traders are unsuccessful. Why is this? The answer isn't a simple one, but it boils down to several key factors that often lead to a trader's downfall. First, and perhaps most damaging, is a lack of proper education and understanding. Many traders jump in without grasping the fundamentals of technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and market psychology. They don't understand how currency pairs are affected by global events, economic indicators, and central bank policies. They trade based on hunches, tips, or what they see on social media, which is a recipe for disaster. Second, emotional trading is a major killer. Fear and greed are powerful emotions that can cloud judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. Traders often get greedy during winning streaks, over-leveraging and taking excessive risks. Conversely, they become fearful after losses, leading them to close profitable trades too early, or hold on to losing trades for too long, hoping for a turnaround. This is a vicious cycle. Third, poor risk management is a common problem. Many traders don't use stop-loss orders, or place them too far away from their entry points. They risk too much capital on each trade, increasing the potential for significant losses. Without proper risk management, a few losing trades can wipe out all the profits, and even blow up the trading account. Fourth, unrealistic expectations are rampant. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and discipline to become a successful trader. Many beginners expect to make a fortune overnight, leading them to take unnecessary risks and chase quick profits. This impatience often leads to frustration and ultimately, failure. Fifth, the lack of a trading plan is a major issue. Successful traders have a well-defined trading plan that includes their entry and exit strategies, risk management rules, and profit targets. Without a plan, traders are essentially flying blind, reacting to market movements without any clear direction. So, what's the takeaway here? Forex trading is challenging, but it's not impossible to succeed. The key is to avoid the mistakes that cause most traders to fail. Educate yourself, manage your risk, control your emotions, develop a trading plan, and be patient and disciplined. It takes hard work and dedication, but the rewards are well worth it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.